imGenerate is a free placeholder image generator. You can generate it to your website also. You need not to download any images. Just add the CDN to your website and see the magic. Let's do in practical. I have put the CDN here, and here is a image tag. The mandatory thing is you need to put your class name imGenerate. Additionally, you can add your own classes, like I have added with 100% and height 400 pixel. Let's see the magic. Here is the image. You can customize it here, like data width 40 pixel and data height 40 pixel, 400 pixel. Let's say it's 400 pixel by 400 pixel image. You can customize it and many more. Like you can say it's background color green. So the image should be green now. Yeah, it's green. You can put your hexa value also without hash. Like you can the FF0000 and the background should be right now. Yeah, it's right. You can change your text. You can put your own text actually. So it should be data text. Data text hello world. And it should be hello world. You can change the text color also. So let's put your text color black, and the text should be black now. Yes, it's black now. You can change the font size also. Data font size 35 pixel. Yeah, it's bigger now. You can change the angle of the text. Data angle. Degree. And boom, it's changed. You can make lots of copies here. Like, okay, I'm just omitting the width. I need not this width. We should put with 100%. So we can put with 100%. This one, and oh, I need not set height now. So just push here. Here also, and here. Let's see the images. Okay, I'm just omitting one. Let's go. Okay, I'm just changing the image. Okay, this should be blue. That should be yellow. And this should be green. And it's magic. You can change the text here also. Blue background. Try it's yellow. This is blue. The cool thing is, I'm just omitting angle. Okay, nice. If you put here you put size in data text, then automatically size will be printed in your image. Let's see, it's 306 by 400, and others should be same. So if you put your size, your graphics designer can get the image size automatically.